So hey everyone, we have some really exciting news today. CoinGecko also again mentioning Shiba Inu being the most trending coin. And I think this tells you a lot. It has the most social media presence. It's talked more than Bitcoin right now. And there's a lot of things going on for Shiba Inu that are a few bullish signs you might want to see. So thank you so much for dropping a like. What we're going to be checking today, and it's a pretty important thing, one of the members for Shiba Inu has actually answered a very, very important thing I saw.
My opinion, it would be a kind of a marketing or kind of a to get more attention, but I thought it was genius however you guys did it or why ever you did it. But what was the original idea? Like, how'd that come about?
I don't know. Like I said, right, so here's the interesting thing. It's one of the, I believe there's one of the things coming up, but this didn't actually start until like August of last year. I only joined in February. I joined nearly like half a year later, so I only know so much. As far as I can tell, it was, a really clever way to make some noise because you go, look, VB's with us. And I mean, we don't know for sure. The way he's talked about it on interviews, it's not super duper clear. So I can't really say for sure what the hell is going on. But you kind of just look at it and go, I don't know.
Yeah,
but that's the truth.
A lot of people are sending him tokens. I bet you there's a lot of people now. You guys started a whole trend.
We did.
So basically, Shiba Inu started the whole trend of meme coins. Yes, Dogecoin was here first, but Shiba Inu is the one that is always going to be dominating the market.
Exactly what happened. It was kind of, we were the first guys to do it, and then all of a sudden, everybody started doing it. And I imagine it annoyed him just a tad. Just a bit, like, why are all these people sending me tokens? Stop!
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah, he came out and said that. He said, stop sending me tokens. I don't want them, right?
It's still happening. Yeah, I see hundreds going a day. I watch his wallet. It's just kind of sad. I do feel bad.
Yeah, he has a couple 100 million in Ethereum, and he had like 8 billion in doggy coins and other tokens like that. So it's kind of crazy that he just gained so much net worth from all these donations to him that he really couldn't do much with. Like as we saw, as soon as he starts moving them, the market will react pretty quickly. Okay, but enough about Vitalik, enough about that situation. Shiba is listed on a large number of centralized exchanges. You were talking about this earlier. You said they wanted to list you. So I know
this is the most important thing. This is something we have not heard before.
They're on crypto.com. They're on Voyager, which you can find a link to in the description below if you want to buy some now. And there was even talks about being added to Coinbase. So I was personally really excited about this. I had some SHIB that I bought on Uniswap. I sent it over to my Coinbase Pro wallet. And then they said that there was insufficient liquidity, something like that happened, and the launch was pushed back. So can you give us an update on the Coinbase listing?
I don't know. I don't talk to Coinbase. I don't think even our devs, so Satoshi and Eric, I don't think even they've talked to Coinbase. As far as I know, Coinbase went to list it. All of this support came flooding in, and for some reason they just changed their minds and went, "Oh, we don't want to do it anymore." They just panicked and shut it down
because there was such a big demand. They're now looking into issues for Coinbase. Probably they're gonna be listing it more in the future, but right now we just gotta stay patient, and one day they'll be resolving that issue.
Because it's happened with every single one. There was another exchange called StealthX, and I was just like, oh, cool, you do this, we'll promote you on the Discord, because we talk about new listings. First day they got people, it completely crashed the platform. So
that's the demand of Shiba Inu right now, crashing platforms. This just tells you how big the community actually is.
Each time, I think Coinbase are just a little bit more wary because, 500,000 people flooding to Coinbase is going to kill the platform temporarily, and that could lose them money. So I think they're taking time to figure it out. I don't know.
I'm thinking they're adding more wallets to Coinbase as we speak, and I think in the future, probably Coinbase listing this now or anytime in the future this video is out, I think it's very important to know that we're going to be seeing such big demand for these big exchanges every time we get listed on exchange. And the thing is, Robinhood still has not done anything because 500,000 people actually getting, on Robinhood, buying it from there, or even 100,000 completely crashes their servers. And that's the most important thing to note here.
I'm just observing that.
Yeah, no, I saw them delay the launch of Solana and other big coins.
Now we're gonna be going to the next questions, and if you did not know, we're actually very early to crypto. I said this last time, but I wanted to read this out. Ruffer revealed he had invested about 3% of his asset, and crypto has been blowing up recently, but on the long run, if we're thinking about years, it's so early. So Bitcoin's bull run has helped by a number of high-profile investors, naming it as hedge against the inflation they see on the horizon due to the record government money printing in the wake of coronavirus-induced lockdowns. Central banks around the world have promised to keep interest rates near zero to help encourage spending. And if we check over here, Bitcoin's key monument metric hints at a bullish divergence, and the RSI seeing higher lows after rebounding from its oversold areas. And you can see Bitcoin over here pretending to be a bull. And there's a lot of things going on. There's a lot of analysis here that we're just going to be fully going through or just briefly looking at it. But numerous heat winds for Bitcoin. Downside sentiment in the Bitcoin market persisted due to a flurry of pessimistic events. That included a global crypto crackdown that started with a ban in China. And then it spread to UK, it spread to India, and it spread to South Africa and US. So that's what caused the Bitcoin to crash. But for instance, the Financial Conduct Authority banned the world's leading crypto exchange Binance from undertaking regulated activities in UK. But that's why we were seeing the big drops. Now, hopefully, we could be seeing some awesome things going back. So the US Central Bank surprised Bitcoin investors with its sudden intention to control inflationary pressures with eventual interest rate hikes in 2023. And Bitcoin has a near-term projection of 50,000 and a longer-term projection of 75,000. So we're going to be reaching 75,000 at some point. I'm pretty sure Bitcoin is going to be hitting 100K mark at, some analysts have been saying that we're going to be getting to 100K mark by the end of the year, but that's really exciting. When the environmental concerns are no longer a worry, many institutional investors are likely to trust the digital currency again, and as such, buy more. And if we get to 50,000 to 75,000, then Shiba Inu is finally going to get that increase it deserves. But executive director at SEX also noted that accredited investors have started maintaining distance from Bitcoin over its concerning environmental impacts. He added that mainstream interest in cryptocurrency will return once miners switch to alternative sustainable energy options. So right now we got to wait a bit, but 44 of investors expect Bitcoin to drop below 30K in 2021. If that happens, that's not going to be good, but I think we're going to be seeing a big rebound after that, and I'm really excited for that one. Out of the remaining 56%, 25% predicted the price to shoot up and settle at 45,000, while the other 25% supported Bitcoin to square on the 55,000 mark. So it's about 50-50 on this one, but 6% of the Bitcoin users saying that it could return back bang to 60,000 and maybe 65,000. So nobody's actually sure, but everything is actually showing that we could be seeing a positive trend so far, as this particular poll represents only a small fraction of the crypto demographic and in no way represents the entirety of investor sentiments. Readers are advised not to make investment decisions and so on. So take it with a grain of salt, but we could be seeing a massive bull run in the future. We are going to be seeing either a bigger dip and then a rebound. It's all looking great and well for Shiba Inu right now. So be sure to drop a like and stay patient. See you until next time.